Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up buy X and get Y discount. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, click the Start Free Trial option. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, setting up a buy X and get Y discount promotion can be a strategic move for a lot of reasons, depending on your business goals and target market. Now, by incentivizing customers to buy more like this quantity, you can increase the average order value. The discount on Y encourages customers to add more items to their cart to qualify for the discount, obviously boosting overall sales revenue per transaction. Now, for you to be able to set up a buy X and get Y discount, I need you to switch to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on discounts. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on discounts and simply click the create discount option, and from here the next option that you need to do is, now obviously what we are going to do from here is click the buy X and get Y option. Now once you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here on these options. Okay, now once you are inside the product discount, I need you to click the automatic discount. And for example, I'm gonna title it as how to set up buy X and get Y discount. And of course, you can put in the minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. If you choose the minimum quantity of items, you might want to put in like 2 items and you'll get, of course, a discount for the other item, right? Now, if you want to search for products, just click on the browse items here. And what will happen is you would be able to have this option, all right? And of course, you can put in any quantity right here, like 2, and again, search the quantity amount. Now, you can set up a percentage, for example, like 50% discount amount each, or you wanted to click it for free. You can also set a maximum number of uses per order. Say, for example, you put in like maybe 5, so it's not spammy or like, you know, doing a bulk order. And also, you can also put in an offer on the point of sales locations only, but the discount is automatically applied to all sales channel. All right. You also have the option to set up buy X and get Y discount, can be combined with product discounts, order discounts, and shipping discounts. And of course, you can set the dates of this active discounts. For example, that's going to be like July 1st. You can also set in the set end date until like maybe next month, like July, August 24, and then click on save discount. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.